News tonight, another gun find. Handguns, rifles and ammunition seized at St. James Port again. Car seat legislation to be amended after public outcry and disruption. And public sector teachers reject Finance Ministry's wage offer.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janela Precious with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janela. Well, this evening we're talking mergers and acquisitions. iCreate has some news regarding that. I'll give you some details as well as some marital financial tips. You want to stay for that later on.
Okay, and there's also Primetime Sports in the package. Jordan Fort is here with a preview. Jordan?
Well, Herman, it's all systems go for Jamaica's World Group 2 Davis Cup qualifiers against Estonia. And the Tennis Jamaica president, John Azar, is promising that spectators will be blown away once the action gets going on Saturday. I'll tell you more in a Primetime Sports Friday.
And Romain is with us this evening for a preview of what's to come in weather. Romain?
Thanks so much, Janela. Increased clouds, that's the story for this weekend. We're looking for cloudier conditions than we have been seeing over the past few days and a better chance of shower activity across most of the island.
Rains for the weekend. Oh,
yay. Now there's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What are your views on the relaxing of the car seat policy for public passenger vehicles?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.